eat cake for breakfast. Wouldn't be one a day, 5 a day. Oh guys, that was a nice little break here at the Triumph Factory yet again. Now we're going to ride down that nice straight road called the Fosse Way out of Hinckley, heading down towards Stratford-on-Avon. So we're heading down to see a cafe cum sort of motor meet-up place called Caffeine and Machine. So not been there before, so interested to check it out. Hopefully take the camera around when we get there. So I've never seen so many women riders here today. They're definitely outnumbering the guys by quite a number. Yeah. Must be. Although the two Triumph guys look a bit overcome by it all, don't they? Keep rushing out. I can't believe all these women are arriving. They do need to up their marketing. No, they're definitely missing the game if they're not marketing to women. I think that was another woman. Must be, yeah. No, it's how it should be, and I think all the manufacturers have got to start gearing up to selling to women and not just to selling to men. Yeah. Well, guys, this is the Fosse Way. You could come round that corner too quick, couldn't you? And suddenly realise you're at a crossroads. Oh, gold. Loads of traffic now. Oh, that van nearly ran to the back of that car. Jesus Christ. Okay, well here we are, B4455 Fosse Way, and look how straight that road is. This road is originally a Roman road. The Fosse Way, it ran from Lincoln all the way down to Exeter, and some sort of 180-200 mile road. And the first part of it was a Roman fortification, more of a ditch. I think that's where Fosse comes from. But the Romans built it into one of the straightest roads in England. And bear in mind, when the Romans invaded England, I mean over 2,000 years ago, and this is their legacy to us. Straight roads. They didn't care whose land they came through, they just built it straight. And apparently, according to Wikipedia, this road doesn't deviate any more than 6 miles left or right from the straight line between Lincoln and Exeter, which is quite amazing really. There's not many countries where they do that. My wife seems to have seriously gapped me here. He's got a racy head on, I think. Remember, I'm filming my dash here. That is a big giveaway. I mean, I suppose you could be really batting down this road, couldn't you? Yeah, I reckon they've put a little kink in here to say stop. That is the biggest giveaway sign I've seen, definitely. Oh yeah. Do you reckon that's it there? How about that then? Caffeine and machine. Well, here's the room to get in anywhere. What about up there between the cars? Yeah, go up there. I don't want to go on that gravel stuff up there. I'm going here.
Where?
Here.
Where's here?
Between two cars where I thought you'd go.
Up here?
Yeah. Go where you want. You find this inside of a restaurant. size engine and it's a triple like yours. Limited edition. 117 of 144 bikes.
Quite a clever arrangement of that. That's quite neatly done, isn't it?
It is neatly done, yeah. Yeah. Does
And
look,
the exhaust as well.
yeah, does look nice, doesn't it? And a Garley V4 that is. Polishing the cars out. I mean, look at all the dust landing on them. Yeah. Feels really, doesn't it? That's got to be wrapped. Good thought.
Let's get Scottish good on it on live.
It doesn't look very standard.
I bet you would have
front of that,
mentioned
look.
Andy, I bet you.
No, I think it's got something. Well, there's a big turbocharger there, look. That's an intercooler at front. Somebody's done something a bit naughty to that engine. Something very naughty. Nice Aston over there, look. Sorry? Yeah. It's nice, isn't it? Proper understated class that is, isn't it?
The back window goes in like that.
Yeah. No, proper gorgeous that is. Sorry? Is it just...
Seatbelts in.
Really?
Yeah. You're back there. I'm not sure you've got much leg room, but you can
What is it? It's a Vantage. No. No, seems less is more these days with badges. Yeah. I suppose if you knows your cars, you know what it is. Yeah. GT3 with all the scaffolding in that is. Hurricane by the number plate.
It's a 19 plate.
I know. What sort of money are they? They are mega. That's nice, isn't it? Nice old MG. Very nice. That's unusual as well, Carol.
Yeah,
Alpina.
wasn't that the one they were talking about on?
You don't see many of them around.
Top Gear or the Grand Tour.
Yeah.
They were doing something about that, weren't they?
Yeah. Very nice. Clean it up now? Yeah, mine's now saying right. You see where people have pulled out, leaving massive sort of see, we can be sensible, you see.